In this video, I am going to tell you how to deactivate LG Streaming Week on LG TV. So for this, you need to go to the home button and then you need to go to LG Content Store. And here you need to first check whether LG Streaming Week is installed in your LG TV or not. So you need to go to My Apps from the top and check it out whether it is installed or not. So you can see LG Streaming is now installed. So what you need to do, you need to uninstall this. One, you need to click on delete button from here. Now you need to select LG Streaming. Now again go to delete. Press on yes, you want to delete. So it is now deleted. So I hope friends now you will be able to deactivate LG Streaming Week on your LG TV. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.